Hi, it's Stacey Berger here with Mastering Your Mindset as a transformational life coach. I'm passionate about you living a life you love. A number of years ago, I attended an event in Dearborn, Michigan, where we went to the Henry Ford Museum. Henry Ford created this museum in tribute of one of his mentors and one of his idols, Thomas Edison. And Henry Ford believed that it was ordinary people, just like you, just like me, that create extraordinary things. And so he set about gathering different buildings, different articles, different representations of ordinary people that have created and done extraordinary things. And so the Wright brothers' bicycle shop is there. Thomas Edison's workshop was deconstructed and rebuilt there. The chair that Abraham Lincoln was shot in is at this museum. The bus that Rosa Parks sat in and said, "No, I will not move," even though she knew that that bus driver was carrying a gun and had orders to shoot. But she was standing up for an idea, for a dream. What it all represents is ordinary people, people just like you, just like me, who accomplished extraordinary things, who took ideas and insights and inventions that really revolutionized our lives today. And I had a moment standing in that museum that day where we were in one part of it and they had different Ford model cars lined up. Everything from the Model T up until some current cars. And there's probably a row of about 24, 25 cars there. And as I stood there looking at the evolution of these vehicles, there was a part of me that went, of course they get better every year. Of course they expand. Of course the technology and the innovation gets better every year because we're demanding and we're asking for it. And seeing the history lined up like that of course it's going to expand, of course it's going to get better. And what the message was for me in that moment was, of course my life is going to grow and expand every year, as is yours. If right now you're feeling like your best years are behind you, or you're too old to pursue that dream, that idea, that's for somebody else to do. I'm here to tell you today that your very nature is for expansion, is for growth. And every year there's a part of us that's desiring more. And as we're desiring more, the new innovations, the new creations, the new ideas are happening in order for us to live into that greater, freer, fuller, more expression of ourselves. Use that as an example and inspiration in your life that you are meant for growth, that it's never too late to pursue your dream. It's okay to have that desire for more in your life. In fact, it's the most natural thing in the world. So begin honoring that part of you that wants more. And as you live into that moreness, the universe will support you in making that your reality. Here is to you living a life you love.